Hello, boys and girls. I am Miss Hardy, and today we'll be working together to complete a task. Are you ready? Good. This is our task. I have a friend. Her name is Sam, and she wants to paint her room. She wants to paint the ceiling white and the four walls purple. She has asked us to help her to 1. Create a sketch of the room, 2. Determine the area of the wall to be painted, and 3. The amount of paint needed to paint the ceiling. Now, there are 3 parts to this task. We will complete each part together. For each one, you will answer for yourself these questions. 1. Do you have enough information from the scenario to complete the task? 2. What information do you need but do not have to complete each task? 3. How will you get the information that you need? Also, how will you use all of this information to complete the task? Here is part 1. Sam's room is shaped like a rectangular prism with a height of 4 meters, length of 4 meters, and a width of 3 meters. It also has 2 square windows and 1 rectangular door. Sam wants us to make a labeled sketch of her room. Do we have enough information to complete the sketch? What information do we have? Yes, it gives the dimensions of the prism that forms the shape of the room, as well as the shape of the different parts, which are the windows and door. Let us use this information to complete the task. This is my sketch. I hope yours is similar to mine. Now for part 2. Each window is 1 meter by 1 meter, and the door has dimensions of 80 centimeters by 2.5 meters. What is the area of the room to be painted purple? What information do you need but do not have to complete this task? You have the dimensions of each surface to be painted. However, you would also need to know which surface is to be painted purple. Did you notice that we needed information from part 1 in order to complete part 2? With this in mind, let us use this information to calculate the area of the room to be painted purple. Now that you have completed part 2, share and compare your solutions with your friends. Almost there. Let us move to part 3 of this task. Sam now needs to get paint. Each tin of 3.8 liter paint covers 40 square meters. How many tins of paint does Sam need to buy to paint the ceiling? What information is needed to complete this task? If you said we need the dimensions of the ceiling, liter per tin of paint, and the area of the surface each tin of paint will cover, then we are ready to go. Now, let us use that information to calculate the number of tins of paint Sam will need to paint the ceiling. That was awesome! Let us check to see if we have done all that Sam had asked. Have we created a sketch of the room? Have we determined the area of the wall to be painted? Have we calculated the amount of paint needed to paint the ceiling? Okay, great! So we have completed our task. Let us reflect. Did you notice that each part asked us to carry out a different task? That the tasks are interrelated? Meaning, in order to complete the task, we had to use information from the different parts. Now that we have completed our task together, you should be better able to complete one on your own. Have fun!